In this video, you will learn how to merge two student records together. Sometimes you'll find the same person has been entered twice in your site. Person merge is a super easy way to combine the records. During the merge, elements from both records will be added to the final record, but it makes a difference which record you designate as the one you want to keep. Here's what happens during a merge. Record 1 will provide the badge ID, Social Security number, birth date, gender, race, and ethnicity. Both records supply tests, classes, attendance hours, and other details. Finally, the most recent entries for the student name and contact info will appear on the merged record. They could come from either Record 1 or Record 2. Names and contact info from both records will be retained on the Student's Info screen of the merged record. We'll begin on the Students tab. In the search boxes, type the last and first name of the students to be merged. Select the first record from the search results. That will take us to the Student Summary screen. Toggle back and forth between the two records using the navigation arrows at the top right of the screen. On this page, compare these important identifying features. Check visible Social Security number digits, birth date, and other demographics. Take a look at the level of education completed. There might be differences due to typos or incorrect info given by a student, but it's still a helpful detail. If you're still not sure these records belong to the same person, go to the Student's Info screen. Compare the student personal data history. You'll see that both of Marcia's records show the address on Clinton Way. With these matching details, it's a pretty safe bet that both of these records are for the same person. Decide which of the records you want to keep. This will be badge ID 1. Write down both badge IDs and put a number 1 next to the one you want to keep. Special note for the Minnesota Department of Corrections ABE program only. Follow these instructions when both records have the same badge ID. Go to the Student Summary screen for Person 2. Click the Change Badge ID link. Edit the badge ID to a number between 1 and 2 million and save. Write down the new Person 2 badge ID. We now return to merge instructions for everyone, whether you're Department of Corrections staff or not. But first, a warning. Be sure these are the same people before you merge. There is no undo merge button for you to click. If you're not sure, send us a message at the support email address before you do the merge. We'll take a look and give you our opinion before you proceed. The Person Merge form is found under the Admin tab. Click the tab and select Person Merge. Now let's fill out the form. In the Badge ID 1 box on the left, type the badge ID of the record you want to keep. In the Badge ID 2 box, type the badge ID of the record you want to merge into Badge ID 1. Carefully confirm that you have selected the two students you really want to merge. Double check the names. Seriously, double check the names. Click the check boxes, then type over the characters of their name that are displayed in the text box. The characters are case sensitive. When that's all done, click the Merge button. On the next screen, click the appropriate link. Go to Student Record will take you to the Student Summary screen on the newly merged record. Look through the screens to make sure the name, contact details, and other info is correct. Take a look at the Student Schedule screen. Make sure the student isn't entered in the same class twice. Let us know if you can't remove a duplicate class enrollment. If you do make a mistake and merge the wrong people together, we can fix them behind the scenes. Send us an email right away with the student names and badge IDs. Do not do any more data entry on the merged record until you hear back from us. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.